Hi, my name is Gabriel Garcia and I'm a VW enthusiast. I'm actually a VW nut. I love Volkswagens, VW buses, and everything about it.
Hey, what's up?
Hey Gabriel, what freeways are you taking?
Let's take the 57 to 60.
57 to the 60?
Yeah.
Okay, but
We're gonna stop to put gas. So not for allá, pero I'm gonna stop to get some gas because I don't know how much I have.
okay, yeah, just let me know because I'm running on empty too. So
This never happens, okay? If you ever run out of gas in a freeway, this is what you have to do. You always have to have a spare jerry can gas.
hey, what happened?
You know, run out of gas, man. It's a Volkswagen.
When your VW was delivered from the factory, one key unlocked everything you needed to unlock. Over the years, though, many parts have usually been changed, and one key may not work all your locks anymore. Or suppose you lost the key to your car and had to have a new one made. Perhaps you just bought a Project Split or Oval, and it came without any keys whatsoever. Now what are you gonna do? Gabriel Garcia of VW Keys and Locks got into his profession purely by necessity. He had bought a 23-window bus, and with that bus came 5 different keys to open and lock everything. He took all the handles and switches and began to take them apart and play with them. Soon, after a few attempts and broken locks, he had one key fit in all the locks on his 23-window bus. After telling all his friends what he was able to do, they all wanted him to do the same thing with their cars. From these humble beginnings, Gabriel's VW Keys and Locks was born. VwTrends magazine paid a visit to Gabriel in Stockton, California to view his operations and throw him a few curveballs, just to see how good he really was and if he could really make a key from a mail order as he claimed he could. Gabriel has key blanks for every VW from 1936 to the mid-80s. You need an original Huff brand key for your split? No problem. Gabriel has lots of them. How about an SG or SC profile key for your oval? Sure. How many do you need? If VW made it, Gabriel can make a key for it. His collection of original VW key blanks is impressive, to say the least. Suppose you have a VW like Gabriel's 23-window bus, which takes almost a half dozen keys to open everything up. No big deal. Just send Gabriel your door handles, T-handle, ignition switch, and whatever else needs a key, and you will get them back rebuilt with one key fitting everything. The guy pins loose or shot in your 1967 one-year-only sedan door handles? Piece of cake for Gabriel. Maybe you got an original shifter lock with no key, which everyone says can be broken into and rekeyed? Send it to Gabriel. Gabriel has been known to make an order over the phone and 2-day express mail the key to South Africa. If you are at a show in the California area, you will probably find Gabriel set up in the swap meet area, making keys to order. CV Performance found out just how good Gabriel is at the Sacramento Buggerama. Anthony purchased a very nice 67 hardtop sedan at the swap meet, and it didn't come with any keys. He simply took the door handle off, gave it to Gabriel, who was set up right near the area where Anthony bought the car, and in 10 minutes he had a car that would lock and start with the same key. Here's another example. Russ Hare had just recently bought a 1960 Beetle convertible, and he was quite happy to find that one key worked the door handles, the ignition, the glove box lock, the hood release lock, and the T-handle decklet lock. Unfortunately, one day at work, Russ found himself without a key. I got Russ on the phone while I was at Gabriel's VW Keys and Locks, and Gabriel told Russ where to look for the lock code number, which Russ found and relayed to Gabriel over the phone. 10 minutes later, I had a key to take home to Russ. And true to Gabriel's expertise, that one key fit all the locks and ignition switch on Russ's Burt. Gabriel can usually offer a 2 to 3 day turnaround time and can really get moving if there's an emergency, such as a car without keys stuck in a neighborhood where you don't want the car left outside. He can next day air you a key if you have a car that needs to be at the show that weekend or something of that nature. If it has tumbles, Gabriel can fix it. As a side note, Gabriel does not do Chevys, Fords, Hondas, or anything else. He does VW keys, period. No house keys, no padlocks, just VWs. If you have anything of a VW key nature that needs to be attended to, whether it's just a spare set of keys for your pride and joy, or you need a key made via mail order to get that project car started, Gabriel is the man for the job. This article appeared on the 2001 December issue of the VwTrends magazine. It was written by Dave Cormack. These days, you can find Gabriel in Southern California attending all the local VW shows and providing his services there. So if you need anything related to VW keys, give him a call. Send him an email or visit his website at gabvwkey.com. He offers mail order services to customers all over the world. Alternatively, if you are attending any of the upcoming SoCal shows like the February 8th Octomeet in Long Beach, take your locks, ignitions, handles, or whatever needs work, put them in a box, write your name, and bring them with you. He can then take them back to his shop, service them, and then mail them back to you.